today, a couple of big things, a couple little things, right? Drugs and alcohol obviously do alter the mind, and we don't want to have anybody have any issues. Alright guys, I'm going to be safe.
Boy, thumbs is hurting right now, man. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing to it, you know? About to get it on. 50 yards. Yeah, man, so just have fun. Test out this. This nigga smiling at me, bro. Yes, sir. You guys' everyday carry is, let me know. Drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it.